Hi, good morning. So, in this, we're going to discuss today's LeetCode daily challenge problem. Problem is that find common characters. Okay, so we'll be given array of strings, words, return array of all characters that shows up in all string within the words, including duplicates. Okay, it may be duplicate. Okay, so let's take the first example. First example is that first word is Bella. B is present once, E is present once, L is present twice, A is present once. Okay. Next word is level. L is present twice, A is present once, B is present once, E is present once. Next word is roller. R is present twice, O is present once, L is present twice, E is present once. Got it? So I have to find out the common character and also the how many times it's common, because they are saying that it may be duplicate, so I have to also the duplicate also if multiple are common. Okay, more than one character common. So here, like B is present once, here D is present once, here B is not present, so this will be not a common. Okay, now check for E. E is equal to 1, E present once, here E is still present once, here also E present once, so this will be one answer, one character which is common to all the strings. Now next is L present twice. Here L is present twice. Here also is L present twice. So L will be repeated two times because it present minimum number of repeated is two twice. Now A is 1. Here A also 1, but A is not present here. So it will be not our debate. I don't have any other character. Like here also extra any character is present. Like here O is present extra, R is present extra, but I do not have to check because we already, like, if it is not present in this string and present only in this string, so it will not be common at all, because it should be present also here also. Like if it is not present here, then why do you have to check for any other uh, string? Got it? That's why I will check only this, and answer is ELL. Here also answer is ELL, and order does not matter. They're saying we can return like LEL, then LLE, any one of this. Okay, what they are trying to say. Now next example is cool, lock, cook. Cool. So C present once, O present twice, L present once. Now next is lock. L present once, O present once, C present once, K present once. Next is cook. C present once, O present twice, K present once. Okay. Now I have to check what is the common character, like C. C present here once. Here also C present once. Here also C present once. So one answer is C. Next go to O. O present twice. Here O present once. Here also O present twice. But what is the meaning? What is the common? Common means like here it's present twice. First, third, second string is present once. Next is twice. So what will happen? Like at least one position is repeating. So I have to take only one O. Got it? Why only one O? Because other string have twice this character. O has twice, but common is one, because one string has only one character of O. How it can be common? Suppose this is twice and here present twice. How these two character can be common? Because there is only one character of this. Then what is the minimum number? This will be common. Got it? That's why it repeated only once. So one logic you got that, like I have to like first create the frequency map of each character of any string. Then I have to check what is the globally, what is the minimum number of times I have seen this. Like here, for this string cool, see I have created this frequency map O present twice. Next time when I created the frequency map lock, then what will happen? I will check previously how many times I have seen O. Okay, I have seen twice. But what is the times? How many times I have seen O in this current string? Once, only once. So I have to take the minimum of these two. Okay, and at the end I will get how many times actually it's repeated all the things. Like 0 means it not at all it repeated in all the string. Okay, if it is at least one means it is repeated. It is common to all the string at least once. One character is present on all of the string. Okay, got it. Now I will traverse this frequency map ultimately, because I have, and I will mm, create this character against this, and I will just push into the answer. Let's go to the code. So I have taken a reference frequency which is 26. Why 26? Because if I to take 0 to 25, a will be go to the index 0 and z will go to the index 25. Got it. Now I have created the frequency reference frequency map of first order. Okay, so I have created all the um, frequency map. Okay, how many times a I have seen, b I have seen, c I have seen, and z I have seen. Now I will traverse from the next word. Next word means second word. Okay, and I will traverse all, create the frequency map of each word. Okay, now then what I will do? I will check the how many times previously I have seen this character with the current character in the string, current string. So for the current frequency of the current string, I have taken a new vector which is initially it will be 0. All field will be 0. Now I am traversing the each character of this current string and increasing the frequency of this character. Now what will happen? I have this is a reference, and now this is your current frequency. Now what I'll do? I will just go to the check how many times what is the minimum value this character is present in both of these reference and the current frequency. Current frequency or current string of frequency. So what I will do? I will take the minimum of this and modify the reference, because for the next string I will compare with this. Got it? Okay, that's why I'm just traversing the each character again, and I'll take what is the reference value of this current character and the current value of this current character, and I will take the minimum of this, because previously I have seen suppose 10 times. Now in the current string it present only 8 times. So what will happen? I actually common will be 8. That's why I will modify with this 8. That's why I will take the minimum of this 10 and 8. And suppose it may be opposite can be happen, like how, like previously I have seen 8. Now I have seen this 8 10 times. Then what will happen? I have to take actually 8. Still it should be 8, because what happened previously it's present only 8 times, and it's the current times it 100 or suppose 1000, it doesn't matter, because previously I've seen only 8 times. So this will be common. Then I will take the meaning of this. That's why. Got it? Now I have created the frequency map of the final, which is actually common to all. Like a will be 0 index will give how many times a is common in the all of the string. Okay, now I'm traversing this frequency map. Okay, global frequency. So what they are saying that if there's a duplicate like a common 2 times, so I have to push this a as 2 times in the answer string, answer array. So what I'll do? Whenever the frequency is greater than 0, the current frequency of the current character, that time I have to, like if your current frequency is 2, then push 1, then I will frequency will decrease by 1. Okay, still it's greater than 0 means I can insert a new character. So I will again add this and decrease the frequency. So now it is 0, so I can't add any character of this. So what I'll do, that's why I actually written a while loop, or actually I'm condition is till our frequency is greater than 0, means our frequency is still left, like multiple frequencies can repeat it, right? That's why I will just take a while loop and also add the current character into our answer and also decrease the frequency. So how am I actually creating the character? Like I know the index 0, I is equal to 0. So if I 0 a plus 0, what will get? A plus 1, what will get? I will get b. Got it? In this way. That's why actually I plus a. Okay, I will be variable, like for the current I is equal to 0 means I am currently at index 0, means I am currently at for character a. So a plus 0 is equal to a. Got it? So I will insert a, and a plus 1 is equal to b, a plus 1 is equal to 2 is equal to c. Got it? In this actually I will actually create the character and insert into the answer. And also the decrease the frequency, I will share the logic why actually I'm decreasing the frequency, because if more than one frequency is present, then I have to add a 2 times or more that times. That's actually taken that frequency array and while loop, and at the end return the answer. So what is the time also to this? Like here actually I'm traversing the length of the word 0. So suppose the length is L. So here time velocity is L. And suppose number of word is n. And for each word I am traversing L, L length, each word, each character of the word. So the suppose the length of average length of each word is L. So time also will be n cross L. Got it? And for this is 26 into L, because it may happen that frequency is maximum frequency is all are suppose 100. So that time the average frequency length is L. Got it? So time also will be n cross L means almost n square. Got it? Thank you.